Namaste. Today we are going to complete first lesson, children. What is that? Mohsin gets an A. Already we started this lesson, no children. What happened here? Daily that boy comes home for lunch. He rings the bell, immediately dashes into the room. Afterwards, he flings his bag one side, then asks mother, what is there for lunch? So, very naughty boy, very cute boy. So, mother expects like that only children from their children, from his, from her children. Here, every mother expects like that only. But today, that boy was not like that. What happened here? He came home slowly, sat slowly, quietly. He sat quietly. Then mother observed and he thought that somebody scolded him. Otherwise, he was not feeling well. So, like a number of questions were there. She asked one by one. Then that boy shook his head and told, today there was a quiz competition. So, in that one here, I didn't get prize. All my friends here, I had 3 friends here, all got prizes. Here prize is chocolate. All got, but I did not get mother. That's why I am crying. So here tears were coming out of his eyes. Okay, children. So next what happened here? Then mother told, you don't worry about it. First you have your lunch. He had his lunch afterwards. He went to his room, children. Why? He did not like to play. He wanted to complete his science project. Immediately he went to his room, opened the cupboard and took some things to complete his science project. Okay, colors, next paper, glue, all things. Suddenly one book fell down from his cupboard. What that thing? Book, notebook, his nursery book. On that book here, his mother had written his name Mohsin Khan, A section. Then here, he started to open one pages. Okay, children. So in from first to six papers, he wrote capital A incorrectly. Then in 7th paper, he observed everything okay. He wrote neatly. Okay, after that one over children. Now, okay, open your book, page number 2. Okay, children. So here children. Here. The first few pages contained straight, slanting and sleeping lines. Then there was a big A written in blue at the top of the page. Below it was a scared looking A with wavy lines. Yes, children. So not good. Mohsin turned page after page. The letter A appeared at the top in different colors with many smaller A's in pencil below. None of the smaller A's looked as good as the big A. Then, on the 7th page, there was a good looking A in pencil. After that, there were many perfect A's. Okay, children. So, here, so many letters were there, but all were not good, except capital A. So many capital A's were there. After 6th page, all were good. He was very happy, children. While that letter was nice in page number here 7 children. So next here Mohsin smiled. He smiled. Why did he smile children? He wrote neatly, correctly. Okay, so that's why he was very happy. Then he felt a hand on his shoulder. He looked up into his mother's smiling face. Yes. Then he observed, yes, he was so proud of himself. Yes, I am great. Why? My A is nice in page number 7. Then he observed his mother. She was also smiling here. Why? Her son was happy. So she was also happy. Okay, children. Then, do you know you used to get so angry that your A did not look as good as your teachers. Yes, first in page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 pages. When you are turning those pages, you are not happy. Why? Because your letters were not good. But in 7th page, everything okay. All letters okay. Especially here, letter A. Everything okay. All letters, all A, capital A letters, okay. Then you smile. Okay, children. So here mother stressing that one. Yes. Whenever you wrote neatly, then you felt happy. Means what is that matter in that one? Look at here, children. Yes. When you finally got it right, you were so happy. Today, you don't think of how to write an A. You write it perfectly every time because you have practiced it so many times. Yes. So today you are not worrying about the letter A. Why? Because you can write neatly. So many years you have practiced that letter. Not only that, everything. So now you can write everything neatly. Okay, children. So here mother is convincing that boy, you have to do hard work. So today you worried a lot, you cried a lot. Why? Because you did not get prize in quiz competition. If you practice well, immediately after few days, definitely you will get that prize. Okay, next, here. Mohsin nodded his head. Amina continued, if you keep reading and studying, you will surely win the quiz competition. Thanks, Ammu, said Mohsin. When I win the prize, I will give you a little bit of the chocolate. Amina laughed. Okay, so she told that one something continuously. What that one? If you read, if you study well continuously, definitely you will win that quiz competition. And then that boy smiled and he told, mother, if I get prize, what is that prize, children? Chocolate. If I get chocolate, if I get prize, chocolate as a, what is that one? Chocolate. I will give you a bit, small piece of that. Okay, then mother smiled a lot. Children, so from this lesson, what we are learning, practice makes man perfect. Okay, so first we have to do hard work. Definitely one day we will win. Okay, children, that competition, otherwise anything. First we have to do hard work. Afterwards, automatically that positive result will in our hand only, children. Okay, so be careful while you are reading, writing. You observe each and everything, how your teacher is reading, pronouncing, writing on the blackboard. So you observe, then understand, then try to practice. Okay, children? Yes. Now we have to do some exercises here in your course book, children. So here, children, some sentences are here. So daily that boy who Mohsin does some works. What are those? We have to write this side. That day, particularly one day, something happened. What happened here? He was not well because he did not get prize. That day, what happened? That one, those sentences we have to write on this side, A and B. So further, children, here sentences are there. You have to write down here A. Afterwards, write down those sentences here. Here 1, 2, 3. Put numbers, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next. Here, Mohsin dashes into the house. Yes, daily like that only. So here, what Mohsin did every day. So every day work means this is first sentence we have to write down here. Second one, Mohsin walks quietly into the house. So that day only that boy was very sad. Daily very happy. So that sentence, the second sentence write down here. Next, Mohsin says that he is hungry. So like daily like that only he says. Why? That is the lunch time. Generally we feel hungry. So this third sentence you write down here, children. Next, fourth, Mohsin has tears in his eyes. Okay, that day only he cried. So this fourth sentence write down here, children. Next, fifth one, Mohsin flings his bag to one side. Daily like that he throws his bag one side. So daily like that. So that fifth sentence you write down here, children. Sixth, Mohsin sits down quietly. So That day only he sat quietly. So that is sixth sentence you write down here. Children, remember 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5. 3 sentences you write down here. 1, 3, 5. 2, 4, 6. These 3 sentences write down here, children. Okay? Turn page, children. Here, children, multiple choice questions. After completing that lesson, what should we do? We have to complete this. Okay, children, 1 minute. First one, children. Choose the correct option and complete the sentences. Amina was worried because. Why Amina was worried? Her son was very sad. He walked slowly and sat quietly. Okay, children. So that one. Mohsin was ill. Mohsin was hungry. Mohsin sat down quietly. So third one is correct one is C. Okay. Put here mark. First one, C option correct. Now second one, children. Mohsin was sad because why he was sad? You know, all his friends got prizes except this one. Okay. His friends Umang, Ojaz and Tawfiq were going away. His friends had won quiz competitions but he hadn't. His friends, those 3 members made fun of them. So which one correct here? B. His friends had won quiz competition but he hadn't. So B is the correct answer. Now third one, children. This is page number 4. Third one. Mohsin did not go to play. Instead, he decided to. So instead of playing, he did something. What that one we know very well. He opened his cupboard to take those things to complete his science project. So complete his science project. Yes, this is correct answer. Here, children, under B, one answer here C, first answer C, second answer here. What is that one? B, and third answer A. Okay, children. Now today I will send here these question and answers. 1, 2, 3 question and answers. So you have to write down in your notebook. Next, children. Here down, abstract nouns, children. So here you know very well proper noun, common noun, countable, uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns, collective nouns, then compound nouns also. So here another type of noun is here abstract. Means that is the feeling. We cannot touch. We can feel. We cannot show. We cannot see, otherwise we cannot show. We cannot touch, only we feel. Those are the abstract nouns, children. Sad, happy, happiness, freedom, wisdom. Okay, children. So here bravery, honesty. Those are the feelings, children. So those all are the abstract nouns. Okay. So we cannot see or show or touch. Just we feel. Those are the abstract nouns. Here, children, page number 5 in your course book. Here, children, read the words given below. Circle the ones that are abstract nouns. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 words are there, children. What are those words? Honesty, freedom, hospital, flower, kindness, anger, doctor, wisdom, bravery. Next, here window, here wisdom, children. So some are here common nouns, some are here abstract nouns. So we have to circle only abstract nouns. What are those here, children? You have to circle in your course book, page number 5. Honesty, children. Honesty. Honesty. Sincerely we do our work, no? That is honesty. Yes. Second one here, down one, freedom. Circle that freedom also, abstract noun. Hospital, place. Flower, thing. Kindness, yes. Circle kindness. Next one, children. Anger. A-N-G-E-R. Anger. This is also abstract noun. Next one, children. Doctor and window. No. Here, bravery, wisdom. Yes, these two. Bravery. Circle this. Wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M. Wisdom. How many abstract nouns are there, children, here? So totally 10 words are there. Among them, here 6